Hey TechnoWaves family, welcome back to another video, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today we have something simple yet very useful for daily users, students and even professionals. This Asus MU101C wired Blu-ray mouse. We will unbox it, check it out its features and test it out performance and see if it's worth buying. So let's get started. So here's the box of the Asus MU101C a wired Blu-ray mouse, and you can see the Asus branding on the model number is MU101C. It's a wired Blu-ray mouse. And you can see a clear view of the mouse inside, and the back shows the specifications like Blu-ray sensor and has 1000 to 200 dpi and cable length of 1.5 meter, weight up to 75 gram and rated current 1000 mAh and system requirements of Windows 10 or above. Now let's unbox it. In the box we get this Asus mouse itself with wired, you can see it's a wired mouse, and some documentations. Comes in simple packaging, nothing fancy. Taking it a closer look, you can see the mouse has a smooth white finish with a comfort grip. It comes with two standard buttons, scroll wheel in the center. It has a Blu-ray sensor also, which works on almost any surface better than the traditional optical mouse. It has a 1.5 meter wired USB cable for a plug and play convenience. No drivers required, and the mouse feels very light, guys. So it should be comfortable for long usage. But the size of the mouse is a little bit small, but okay for daily casual use. About its features and specializations, it has a Blu-ray technology, means it works on wood, glass, even rough surface also. You can see here, so we don't need a mouse pad and all. And it has a resolution up to 1000 to 3200 dpi and ergonomic design, comfortable for both left and right-handed user. Let's connect to my laptop. Here you can see, guys, it has a Blu-ray Lightning, moving very fast and quickly working. It is very responsive. Now let's change the DPI. Here you can see it is moving very fast. Now it's moving very slow. As you can see, guys, very quick response it is giving. The cursor movement was very smooth and no lag at all. The scroll wheel works perfectly and the clicks are quite yet responsive. About the pros and cons, after testing here, what I feel is, about its pros, it has a smooth tracking on any surface. Look, it does not need any mouse pad and all, and very lightweight, very comfortable design, plug and play, no drivers needed, affordable price. But about its cons, it is a wired mouse, so not as portable as wireless mice. No extra buttons for gaming or shortcuts. It's just for daily tasks and office work. So this Asus wired Blu-ray mouse is a budget-friendly, reliable and smooth performing mouse. Definitely worth it if you want a simple, no-nonsense mouse for daily use. Hope you guys like this unboxing and testing video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechnoWaves for more tech videos. See you in the next one.